welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I am going to do a hair care checkup on my products. So if you guys watched my last video on skincare, I did this because I am just getting started with skincare for the most part. I've been doing pretty decent for the past few months because I've learned a lot more about taking care of my skin, but I also didn't know a lot about the product themselves. So I figured find a tool to help me, and I found that Think Dirty app, which scans your product and tell you about the ingredients that's in there. So it works so well for my skincare. I figured I'm going to need to take these braids out in a week or so and do a proper wash day with my hair and do a new protective style most likely. So I thought, why not go ahead and check out my hair care ingredients and see what's in them too, and see how many products actually can scan, because last time there were a few products, quite like about a quarter of my products for skincare that didn't scan, and that's because on that app they don't have all the products yet. But the beauty about it is that you can actually scan and submit a product. If you guys go on there, it'll ask you to take a picture, scan the product, scan the ingredients and everything that's on there, and they'll be able to go ahead eventually put it in the pool so people can find it. So guys, let's get started. First thing first is these are my products that I have been using since the past winter, and right now I'm using them as well, and a couple of new products guys that I wanted to try, like this can too. I haven't used it yet. It's part of my Christmas haul that I got. And I also have this guy, which Palmer's, I've never tried this before. A few weeks ago, if you guys saw that, I did a quick little conditioning day, and that's what I used for it. So it was first time using it. It wasn't bad. My hair felt really hydrated. As you can see, most of my stuff here is Shea Moisture for the most part, and these are all things I've used in the past, I'm currently using as well. So let's do a checkup on these guys. First, of course, you need to grab your phone guys and pull up your Think Dirty app, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and start scanning. So let me start with products that aren't sets yet. So let's do this. So this is the Super Cholesterol Mask. It is not on the app. Now let's go back, and yes, this guy is on here, and this is the Power Green Hair Tea Rinse, and this is a 3. So this guy is on there, which is pretty cool. I've been finding a lot of Shea Moisture product on this app, which is great because about half of my products are Shea Moisture that I use hair and skincare and body. This has all clean ingredients, so we're gonna go over here, all my clean ingredients. Next, I'm just gonna go with what's in front of me guys and just move everything around actually. So let's go with this Cantu. Okay, this guy is in here, and this is a 10, which is like the highest. This has dirty ingredients. It only has 15 ingredients, but definitely a 10, which is, I'm gonna put everything that doesn't scan down and everything that's on the higher end over here actually. So let's see. So this tea tree, I'm so sad about this because this is supposed to be so good, but let's go back. Let's do this Cantu product. All right, this guy is on here too. This is actually one of my favorite leave-in conditioner. It's so good on my hair, and this guy is a 8. So has 26 ingredients on the higher end of the bad side. Okay, let's go back to being Shea Moisture again, Power Greens, all clean ingredients, and this guy's a 3 as well. So let's go ahead and do this guy. Cantu again, another 10. This is what I use guys to do these leave-in, to do this protective style. So I'm pretty sad how high Cantu is ranking, not in a good way. So let's go ahead and do this guy. All right, this is an 8. This has been my spray and leave-in. I have so many of these guys really because I had a bunch of coupons for them and I kept buying them, and this does have a dirty ingredients in there. It's an 8, 8, 8, 10, 10. I'm gonna separate and see how high these guys are regardless. All right, we're going with the Power Greens again. This is my deep treatment. I love this one. Oh, let's see what this scores at. 3. All right, this line. Guys, I've been using this line, all of it, and I finished the shampoo, so I don't have it, but I am going to go ahead and scan it at Walmart and show you guys how does it rank with the rest of the products. Now let's go to Shea Moisture again. This is almost over. This is the shampoo. And 3, all right. So great, because these two are my 2 favorite hair care products that I've ever bought, so I'm happy about that. Again, a 3, all clean ingredients, so this is everything. I love it. Some of these may not have a picture, guys, so pay attention to make sure the name and everything match, because there's not always a picture. I see. Again, a 3 leave-in. Yes, I love it. All clean ingredients. And this guy, 3 again. So all 3 clean ingredients. So let's try this new guy that I used the other day and didn't even check. Let's see if this scan, because there was a sticker over this. Ah, product not found. So sad. All right, so this is one of my favorite cheap line Aussie. This is an 8. And how do you score? Oh, this is actually a 5, not as high. And this guy is 8 again together. So these guys are 8, 5. And now let's move on to some, did I scan this guy? Yes, I did. So let's move on to some oils. Now, this is what I've been using for my edges since I've had this protective styling. So I figured this guy would be pretty cool to use because of the ingredients to help invigorate and boost the hair. This guy is a 5, so half and half ingredients. And this guy, there's a sticker over this. I can't scan it. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can do this for you guys, if it'll come off. Maybe, since it is oil on it. Oh, the sticker came off. Great. Let's see if it'll scan. It came off so easy because there's oil in it. Unfortunately, this product isn't in. But guys, argan oil and castor oil are always my go-to. So I know these guys, they're great ingredients, especially when this just has individual ingredients in it. When you look at this, this is just castor oil and argan oil, nothing else. So it's a great go-to. It's done great for my scalp, so I definitely vouch for that oil. Now let's see if these guys will scan and come up. These are the soap bars. And this is not in the list. And let's see if this will scan too, because this had a sticker over it. Not on the list. So this wasn't too bad. For the hair care, most of my products were on the list. The only bad thing, guys, is the fact that these rank so high. And again, if you have this thing Dirty app, remember these are all ingredients that you can actually go ahead and research yourself. This is just a quick way when you're at the store. Sometimes I don't have the time, but I'm looking for just a moisturizer or a hair growth oil or anything of that nature. I go on here and check very quickly. Saves me a lot of time actually at the store now. So if you wanted to do that, super easy to do. And the cool thing about this app is, again, guys, you can submit a product. I'm pretty sure they go ahead and review it, hopefully. And I haven't looked into the detail how they take your submission. Hopefully they go in there, they review everything, they see about the product itself and see how they rank. Now for this product, again, all of this Shea Moisture, yeah, all of my Shea Moisture except for the shampoo bars I couldn't find. All these guys are clean ingredients. They're a 3. Remember, guys, on the app, if you go, it shows you the ranking 0 to 3, and there's 4. Let me make sure I'm telling you guys this correctly. If you go, it gives you that ranking. There's even reviews on here, by the way. I forgot. I didn't mention this to you guys. You can look at the reviews people leave on actually the Think Dirty app. When you go on here, you actually look at the ranking themselves. It tells you, I'm going to put it up here for you guys to see. It shows you how they are ranked, how you can see different things on here, and just everything, what it means. So remember, again, guys, always, these are documented things. 4 to 7 is not too bad. These products, they say they may have potential negative long-term health effect, but definitely 8 to 10. These products over here, they say that they products ingredients have potential serious negative long-term health effect. So I gotta go and check these guys out and see the ingredients that's on there, compare. But guys, this is the second time I've done this, and Shea Moisture is again the MVP here. They won. All their products are as it says on their bottle. Remember, just because the product says cruelty-free, vegan, all that stuff, you need to make sure you read the ingredients, because it may not always be what it seems. Because these products sounds great. I've used these guys for years, minus this guy, and I've got to go in this one. I haven't used this yet, so I got to go and check out what's going on with these ingredients in here. But these guys, Shea Moisture, no wonder my hair always feels great when I use them. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna go compare the ingredients to these soap bars because I would really like to use them on my hair next time I do my wash day. And I know this guy is a great oil, so I'm happy with that. I know that this oil is just argan and castor oil. They've always worked great on my hair, so I have no issues with that. I'm gonna go and compare these oil that's on here with my other regular oils. This guy, it didn't scan, of course. I have to go and just match some of the ingredients with the other leave-in treatment I have. But again, it did make my hair feel incredibly soft and nice and hydrated. And this, of course, I gotta go match some of these cholesterol ingredients and see how they rank, because I've used this for so long. My hair actually loved this cholesterol mask. Whenever I don't have time to do a DIY, I usually would do like an egg treatment, but I don't always have time to do that, so I would go ahead and do these little different type of things. So guys, this is it for the products I've scanned. So these are the products I have been using. These are pretty much gone for the most part. I'm just finishing this up. Especially this is shampoo. This has almost nothing in it, so I'm gonna be using this to finish it. This guy, I just got the bottle to scan it for you guys because you can see there's nothing in here. It's done. I love this leave-in. And this castor oil is pretty much done too. I've been using this, just started using this guy. This is almost gone too, so I have been using this on my quick wash day with the shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner has less in it because I use this one more often. My cholesterol is half gone. Actually, me and my sister use this, so I don't use this as often as it looks like. But for the most part, this is a new one I just cracked out. I have so many of these guys. So for the most part, guys, I'm actually pretty happy how this turned out. This is my two favorite line from Shea Moisture, hands down. Haven't tried the other one I just bought yet, so I may be using that one for next wash day to do a review for you guys. But I'm so happy these guys are product clean, ingredients, no issues. I can go ahead and use them, so I'm excited about that. And I can even just put this guy over here because I know this guy is good stuff. I just know because it does so good for my hair. So this is pretty much it. So this is going to be like my little clean section here. Let's put these guys back here. This is my little clean section over here. These are my little products that didn't scan, unfortunately, guys. And these are my products with a high number of, hey, you may want to check these ingredients out to see what's the long-term effect on here, what ingredients. And that's the cool thing about it. It tells you exactly what are the ingredients that could potentially be harmful to you. So I love that app for that. And it just makes life a lot easier whenever I need to look up stuff. So when I go to the store, instead of spending 2 hours looking for something, I can just scan it and look at the ingredients and tell me exactly what's in it. I don't have to worry. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm enjoying this app. Again, guys, I do want to say this is not sponsored. I know this is the second time I've done a video with that app. It is not sponsored. I just love this app. It's so easy to use and it's so convenient. My thing is the time it saves me. I absolutely love it. So guys, if you are looking for a way to quickly go find your products, be done with it, and just make life easier in general when you go to the store, because you don't have time like me to read everything and you just need your products, go. And again, I'm gonna say this again, guys. Want to mention, Shea Moisture doesn't sponsor me, guys. I just buy a lot of their products. As you can see, this is the second time I've done this. I'm going to say this again. Shea Moisture, hands down, pretty much majority of my products are clean products. So if you are in the market, you're looking for skincare and hair care product, you don't even have time to do the Think Dirty app scan, just go and grab you a couple of Shea Moisture products and you'll most likely seem that you're going to be fine. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't, guys, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, always give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.